Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Make a great choice today with the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system, child safety locks, heated steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.